One sunny morning, Zane was studying on his computer, surrounded by scattered papers and pencils. In the room next door, Zahraa was happily drawing in her sketchbook with her art supplies neatly lined up. Everything was calm and peaceful, until suddenly, mysterious envelopes slid onto their desks, breaking the calm. Zane and Zahraa read their invitations aloud.
Meet at the Nexus of Knowledge. Your adventure awaits. Sounds exciting. Let's go find out what this is all about.
Little did they know these invitations would take them on a journey back in time. They arrive at the Nexus of Knowledge, a majestic library with towering stone columns and golden letters shimmering in the sunlight.
This place looks like it's full of secrets and stories. Let's go find out what kind of adventure we're in for.
The two siblings walk up the steps, feeling a mix of excitement and curiosity. Together, they stepped into the grand library, filled with towering bookshelves, ancient scrolls, and the rich scent of parchment. Just then, a graceful librarian appeared, dressed in elegant olive green and holding a unique book in her hands, her calm presence adding to the air of mystery.
Welcome, Zane and Zahraa. I am Amara, the librarian here at the Nexus of Knowledge, and we need your help. This is Page's Tale, The World of Words, a book that holds great wisdom and knowledge from the past. But some of its pages are missing. If we don't restore them, history's lessons will be lost forever. Beware. There are those who will try to stop you.
Zane and Zahraa exchanged determined looks.
We're ready to help. Let's get the missing page and protect its wisdom. Let's do this together.
Amara led Zane and Zahraa into a room unlike anything they'd ever seen. Shelves filled with writing tools from across history. Reed styluses, quills, ink brushes, and early fountain pens. Zane and Zahraa exchange amazed glances. As the kids leaned closer to a reed stylus, it began to shake slightly, catching their attention. This was no ordinary tool. It was a cuneiform stylus, an ancient writing tool with secrets waiting to be uncovered.
Look, it's shaking, like it's trying to tell us something. Is it moving on its own? That's amazing.
These tools were used to record the world's greatest lessons. This stylus will guide you to your first adventure. Take care of it, for it holds the power to open the Bridge of Mist.
Together, they hold their writing stylus. Suddenly, the ground begins to shimmer and a glowing bridge of mist appears, leading into swirling fog. As they prepared to step onto the Bridge of Mist, someone stood far away, tucked in the shadows. The kids decided to keep going.
Whoa, is this for real? Looks like we're about to find out.
They step onto the bridge and the mist swirls around them, transporting them back in time. The mist cleared and Zane and Zahraa stepped into a world from 4,000 years ago. Ancient Sumer, alive with wonders they'd never imagined.
Wait, is this real? Did we actually travel back in time? And look at us. We're dressed like them. This is amazing.
Out of nowhere, a boy dashed toward them, clay smudged all over his hands.
I'm Aru, the king's scribe. I saw you've got a cuneiform stylus. Just what I need. Mine broke, and I have to finish King Gudea's wisdom tablet. Can I borrow yours?
Without a moment to lose, Zane and Zahraa agreed to help. Aru led them swiftly through the bustling streets of ancient Sumer as they raced toward the sparkling river. At the riverbank, Zane and Zahraa got ready to gather clay for their important mission.
We'll use this clay to write our message. It needs to be strong and clear for the king.
I really hope this doesn't end with us covered in clay from head to toe. Don't worry, we've got this. Just watch. It's going to be perfect.
Cuneiform symbols were the way Sumerians shared knowledge, carved into clay to keep it for years to come.
Press carefully. Every symbol has meaning. It's like telling a story with shapes.
It's amazing how they didn't use paper or pens. Just clay and a stylus. Imagine writing everything like this. It must have been hard work.
The kids were focused on their clay tablets, and they're almost done with the writing. Suddenly, the quiet was broken by the sound of footsteps splashing in the water. They froze. Who could it be? Someone was coming fast toward them, holding 2 buckets full of water.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Dr. Erasmus, and you must be the brave little kids trying to save history. But do you really think you can stop me from erasing it?
Dr. Erasmus suddenly lifted one bucket high and tossed the water toward the tablets, trying to turn them into a big, squishy mud pie. Water rushed toward the clay tablet, and the kids acted quickly to save it.
The clay! If it gets wet, all our hard work will be ruined. I'll lift it high.
No way! This tablet is staying dry. I'll block the water. Let's work together.
Nice try, but we're not giving up that easily. I've got the mat. This will stop the splashes.
With quick thinking and teamwork, Zane, Zahraa, and Aru saved the clay tablet just in time. Dr. Erasmus, quick as a flash, tossed the water and slipped away, vanishing into a date palm grove.
You may have saved the tablet this time, but for every page you save, I'll find another to erase. History is my game, and I always win.
Step by step, they climbed the towering ziggurat. At the top, they handed the wisdom tablet to the king's advisor. Mission complete. The wisdom tablet was now in the hands of the king. Aru stepped forward, ready to share the message that would inspire the kingdom.
The treasure of teamwork. Across deserts and seas, a wise ruler did roam, in search of a jewel to bring wisdom back home. But he learned on his journey a secret was found. When friends stand together, their light shines all around. With hearts joined in kindness, we truly stand tall. Teamwork is the greatest treasure of all.
Aru thanked his friends, saying he couldn't have done it without them. Zane and Zahraa waved goodbye, leaving ancient Sumer behind as they stepped into the swirling mist and returned to the library.
Well done. The clay tablet is safe. The missing page has been restored. And history is whole again.
All of a sudden, a glowing reed pen from ancient Egypt begins to shimmer on the shelves.
Whoa, that reed pen is glowing so brightly.
Does that mean another adventure?
Yes. Your mission isn't over yet. Ancient Egypt is waiting. Are you ready to step into history once more?
Next stop, the land of pyramids and mysteries. What will Zane and Zahraa uncover? Stay tuned.